The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
I'm going to go over, a lot of ground rules, or as I see them. And there's the 8 o'clock bell. Let's see, made another 500 in London, passed your evaluation. All right, so let's congratulate yet another funded trader. In sim last night, you had 3 bots running and closed out at 676.50. Nice job. John Edmondson. I forgot a D. There you go. Newest funded trader. That's one this week. You're very welcome, John. Nice job. Got target yesterday in the so what I'm going to do, there we go. What I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to read the disclaimer. By the way, if you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome. A couple of things I'll go over with trials. First and foremost, I want to welcome you to the room. This could be a very busy week. You folks may or may not know we have some almost 80 traders now. Good morning, George. I got your email. Since Friday, I was supposed to go away and do some fishing up north here in Tennessee, and I did not. I have literally worked all day Friday, all day Saturday, and all day Sunday, getting people registered for the room and making sure people had the right settings, etc. Dennis, if you hold on for a minute, that would be great. First and foremost, I had offered briefly a lease program for the bot. At this point, I have ceased that program as of yesterday at 6 p.m. So if you're here on trial and you've heard about the lease, there is no more lease, right? I also want to make you aware that this is for trials now, we are attempting to do something that it's never even been tried, let alone succeeded at. We have a group of some almost 80 now that are in a funded trader combine, most of them trading multiple accounts, right, using Apex's fund copy trader, trade copier. In any event, anybody that has trialed before and may be interested in the bot may still purchase it for $24.97. I will be sending you guys a daily email, just a recap. On that daily email, you will notice there will be in asterisk, price subject to change. Okay? In the event that we succeed at what we're doing, which is a mass passing of funded trader accounts this week, and I suspect we will, or be fairly close, I'm telling you guys now the price of the bot is rising. All right? Those of you guys that own it, there's no issue. We do have a number of you folks that are new members that did lease the bot. Your purchase price in 30 days, if you decide to purchase, will not change. So if you folks elect to purchase the bot, those of you that have leased it in the brief period I offered the lease, you will still pay the $24.97 if you want the bot. I expect markets today to be a little slow and probably sideways. Yes, it'll be a $5 increase. I went to McDonald's over the weekend and was shocked at the price of a Big Mac. So I figure I got to raise it $5. No, if anybody has done any research, if you guys have done any research on automated trading robots, you will find that my bot, our bot, is on the extreme low end of pricing. Some of these bots are selling for $7,000, $8,000, $9,000. No, I didn't go to McDonald's. I was kidding. I haven't been to McDonald's since Ronald worked there. There are bots that trade or sell for as much as almost $10,000, and they can't produce what we produce. They can't do what ours does. And for a long time, people have said, you're way underpriced. And, I've tried to make it accessible. Yeah, and that's the thing, Dan. I've tried to make it affordable for everybody. But on the same token, everything in life has to be a benefit. Doesn't matter what it is. There has to be a benefit, right? And benefit is unrelated or is actually related to cost, right? Value is related to cost. For instance, if you pay $2,500 for a bot and it gets you a funded trader account like, Paul, multiple accounts, and he makes money just about daily. David, I don't know if David's in the Good Morning Hubba. David is in the room, but David did 84,000 last month, I believe, across multiple accounts, right? Then if I charged $25,000 for the bot, you would say that has value. It has benefit. I made a lot of money. Conversely, if I charged you $10 for the bot and the bot can't make you any money, then it has no value. So it's utterly irrelevant to the price. It's what is ultimately derived from the product. Doesn't matter if it's a Bentley or a Chevy. They all have value, but how much value? What do you get from it? Good morning, Josh. So in any event, this is really mostly for trials. Any idea time for this? I mean, if somebody is a referral of a friend in the room, I'll always give the same price. I've always done that, even when I've raised the bot in the past. So if I raised it to, $34.97, and somebody said, "Hey, I'm a friend of Joe Dokes. He referred me," they would still pay what you paid. If you make $84,000, you don't need to send me a case of bourbon. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. Let's see here, fellas. In any event, it is Monday, guys. So let me do this. Let me quickly read the disclaimer. Let me also shut off my Skype, because the last thing I need is Ninja to think about slowing down on just one more thing. Yeah, exactly right, Paul. And Paul, who owns a number of workout facilities in the Atlanta area, said they learned in the fitness business that you have to charge what your services are worth. Those who pay attention. And at the end of the day, I think I give more than anybody in this business anyways. I mean, I don't know any room programmer, trader. I don't know anybody that's working weekends, returning emails on weekends. I mean, I worked last night. In any event, neither here nor there. I just want trials to be aware that in your daily email update, there will be a notation which shows price subject to change. Thank you, Rich. I appreciate that. All right, guys, let me quickly read the disclaimer and let's talk about what we're going to do. Okay? I have boy, hopefully I can find this easily today. And par for the course on Monday. I cannot. So now I have to search for my disclaimer. There we go. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made. that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. Anybody take the trades? Okay, guys. All right, you guys should all be done. You guys have hit all your targets. Your bot should be. You should have your daily. Good morning, Willie. You guys should have your daily goals in. If you took those trades. Now I've not even turned mine on yet. Anybody have any questions? Nice job, Hubba. ES back to 4,000. We could flutter around this area, guys. Look at this. Beautiful trade into resistance and right back down 24 handles, 25 handles. Value area low, 39.90. Below that, we have support at 80. This could be a morning sell. There could be no bot trades early on, which is fine. I told you when we came in, we had almost a couple thousand sellers in NASDAQ. I was favoring shorts. ES, not so much, but we're selling them back. Let's see what happens on the open. We have an unfinished auction here at 05. Let's see one thing here, guys. The original bots are up 170 bucks for a short or a long. The bot's already in a short. So here would have been, I don't know if the ES would have gotten it. Yeah, the ES got the short. You got all your targets on the ES if you guys took it. Again, I didn't take it. I'm perfectly content. We could get a morning sell-off and then a quick rebound later in the morning. But that's fine with me. I'm in no hurry, fellas. So did anybody hit their, do you turn? Yes, Dennis, I turned them all on at the same time. Did anybody hit their daily goal already? You hit on the bots, James? Is there anybody that hit their daily? Okay. Is there anybody that hit their daily goal that's in the funded trader challenge? Okay. Nobody. Okay. Or at least not yet. Okay. Sorry, guys. I'm just trying to catch up on emails, and they come in fast and furious. Playing with the NQ scalper bought up $1,000. Not it. Watched your video. Nice job, Carl. Nice job. About 4.5 minutes. If anybody has any questions, we held 4,000 on the ES. Here it is again. Here's my mock-up. We traded up to first area of resistance, faded all the way back to 4,000. We held 4,000. Resistance is going to be 08, which is volume point of control. Let's see here, Mark. Hang on. I wait to see, Mark. Hey, Todd, good morning and welcome to you as well. I wait to see what we get on the open. I'll tell you guys. I'll tell you guys when I'm turning the bots on. Ron, I suggest strongly. Okay, Terry, good. You made it in. You're live. Ron, I suggest strongly not trading pre-market. I said that, repeatedly. I do not trade pre-market. Now, when these initial trades here just went, I said they look good. If anybody wants them, some of the guys took them. Oh yeah, you didn't trade. Yeah, no, I don't trade pre-market, guys. I'll wait till the market opens here, let it settle down, and then try to catch the reversal. If we sell off, we're going to want to catch the reversal. So we'll wait. I'll tell you guys when I'm turning the bots on, right? That's the whole point of this program. Let these markets do what they're going to do, and I'm going to try to guide you as best I can based on what I'm seeing. Indices all look the same. NASDAQ, YMES, they all traded to the bottom of their 10-minute cloud and bounced. Gold looks like it's going to sell. And crude is retracing, but basically in longs. Now, the crude bot is the one bot that I don't do a lot with. Yeah, and because you started late, Sepir. I addressed that this morning. If you guys, again, I addressed that. You guys have to understand the evening session. The market opens at 6, and there's a little bit of volatility for that first 30 minutes, and then it gets slow and choppy until we get to about 8:15, 8:20, 8:30, when Europe opens, or just ahead of Asia, I'm sorry. And then we get a little more volatile again, and then by 10 o'clock, it's died. Trend on, yes, trend on. I have no bots on yet, fellas. Crude looks like it's going to come down. I don't like trades into VWAP. We're off. We are off. NASDAQ selling fairly harshly on the open. Small gap down here. I don't think we're going anywhere far, but we'll see. Feds Williams is speaking. NASDAQ's currently down almost 100. ES is off 16. YM's off 59.60. Gold is off $4. Crude is off 48 cents. NASDAQ, no buyers yet. You may get a small bid on the NASDAQ up to 350. Order flow trade, 350. I'm not taking any trades yet, guys. I like ES long. If you're trade the ES, first target about 13.14, but I'm waiting. I'm letting this crap shake out. If NASDAQ is going to go long, it's got to get above 350. Right now, it's mostly sellers, 2,400 net sellers. ES hanging in there, but doing nothing. Coinbase will probably give us, oh man, with these clocks, what the heck? Reload script, there we go. We'll get a 15-minute sell on Coin, COIN. If anybody trades options, I'll tell you what I'm seeing. I have nothing at this point, guys. We're shorts. I would say ES is coming down, guys. It's going to want to hold that whole number, round number, but I think we're coming down. Some small buyers in here right now, but NASDAQ is right now short. Probably down to 56 and then 50. If anybody wants a NASDAQ short, you have a 56 target and then a 50 target. 56 and 50. That's an order flow trade. Here comes ES. It's going to have to get below 4,000. Gold. Long gold. All right. My gold bot is on. I've turned gold on. I have turned the gold bot on. It's slow. NASDAQ's coming down to that first target at 56, if anybody took that. 56. Come on, dog. 5 more ticks. Come on, baby. 56. Stopped at 57.5. Still think it's going to get you 56. Let them sell, fellas. Let them sell. ES still junking around just above 4,000. Hang on, guys. Okay. CL short. My bot's nowhere near a short on CL. No, I'm nowhere near it. It's trying. I don't much like the short on CL. I don't like anything on CL right now. It's doing nothing. All right, guys. I've turned on my ES, my NASDAQ, and my YM. Okay? ES, YM, NASDAQ, and gold are on. All right, 56 target has been hit on the NASDAQ. That was an order flow trade. If you took 56, if you took the order flow short, and I was wrong on crude, looks like. You also got your 50 target. Next target down on NASDAQ, 12,233. If you're short NASDAQ, 233. ES target is going to be value area low at 38.89. I did not, Ed. I did not turn it on. If you guys took the CL short, you may want to kill it. It's your prerogative, but I don't much care for the shorts. My bots are on, guys, with the exception of crude. Gold is going to be the first bot to take a long trade right now. Okay, gold took a long. NASDAQ's getting a bid. Gold's going to need to get up through 068. Oh 08.3, 078 area is a problem, right where that first target is, guys, on the bot. I'm going to have to get through 07, and to get to 078 may be a tough trade. So if you're in gold, watch it, because I may just close the trade. Indices turning up. Indices turning up. YM will probably be the first to go. Gold cannot get through this resistance at 07 yet. I'll be out of this trade momentarily. Come on, you rat dog. And listen, guys, if your bots didn't take a trade, I don't. There's nothing I can do. I can't help you. Zero I can do. You can always hit buy market if you like the trade. YM's going to take a trade in a minute and a half. Minute 44. I'd rather have your take profit. Make sure your settings are the same. This is the resistance here. If it gets up through this 07, it's got a shot at getting targets. But we're running into major resistance here. YM's going to take a trade in 1 minute and 4 seconds. All right, I'm out of this. I'm done watching that thing. Well, if you're going to be in the room every day, Ed, you don't need to use the timer in the morning. I'll tell you when I'm turning them on. YM lost the trade. It's the wrong setting on gold. It's what happens when you don't look at the member area. Gold is 10 and 20. Guys, if I got to set up your bots and go through all your bot settings, then you might as well, pay me or somebody else to do them for you. NASDAQ. That's not going to happen, Dean. No, that won't happen. Yeah, I like ES long. I like NASDAQ long. I closed gold. I said I'm closing this trade. If you guys are multitasking, shame on you. I'm out of gold. Nice job, Peter. ES will take the long in 1 minute. You're welcome, Rich. It's losing it. I still like ES longs. I told you that. I like ES longs. We're going to need help with NASDAQ. It's choppy today, guys, and I may close trades. YM lost the long. Apex flash sale extended to Thursday at 6 p.m., 80% off. If anybody wants. ES took a trade, and I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Save 80. There's no news. We failed. Faded value area high. Guys, right now it's save 80. SAVE 80. He doesn't hold. This is done. Crude chopping around in a relatively small range. Looks like NASDAQ low of the day is around 980. Nice job, Lori. 980. Why would they be off this year? Guys, don't ask me questions. Why would you ask? If I tell, I will tell you. I will tell you. I got 300 people in this room, fellas. I'm also looking for order flow trades. Yeah, I missed a coin short on the options, Deepak. We had a quick option trade here on Coinbase. Amazon is still good. Apple kind of rolling over. You're going to get a Google short. Puts on Google. I don't know. There it is in 11 minutes. Puts on Tesla. There are no bot trades even remotely close to getting taken other than a crude short. And crude's just chopping around. Microsoft is going to give us a short. Looks like we're coming down today, guys. NVIDIA is rolling over. Google's going to give you a short. That is correct, Scott. Cash market selling. Gold and crude, guys, for the most part, are doing nothing. They're just chopping. The indices also doing nothing. We have 2,300 sellers in the NASDAQ. We're in straight shorts. There's 80 on the ES. If this bust, we're coming down 39.55. If you can try an ES long here at 80, bonds at the high of the day. ES back to 91 if you guys are closed. Nice job, Peter. ES can get back to 4,000. I don't know that it does. Let this selling settle down. Nice target one. Nice, Scott. Crude is just chopping around in a small area. I need that range to expand. And gold got target one as well. Finally went up and got target one. All right, I'm turning crude bot on. See if we can get the long. Long on crude. The crude bot is on for me now. ES got 91. Traded back up into value area low and faded. 4,000 is now ES resistance. Anybody long ES? Those are order flow trades, guys. That was an order flow trade. If we get above 4,000, ES has got a lot of room to go. 4,000 your resistance, fellas, on ES. ES trading better than the NASDAQ. Gold got both targets. We're trapped between 80 and 4,000. This range has to expand. Now, if it expands to the upside, we'll get the bot trades. It's an annoying little chop fest right now. All it's doing is trapping buyers and sellers. Both sides. All right. NQ looks like it's a long to 295 and possibly 301. That's an order flow trade. If anybody wants a NASDAQ long. ES looks like it can get back up to about 4,000, maybe 01. Long ES, long NASDAQ. Target on the NASDAQ, ES, let's call it 98 first. We're pulling VWAP lower. We're setting up for longs. I don't hear anything on Squawk, so there's no, yeah, it's on. No Fed speakers. At some point, these bots will go, or these indices will reverse. Maybe if we get enough Europeans trapped down here. Now holding again, value area low right around 88. Seller. There's a 200 contract seller at 95. Now that could be a short cover. It could be initiating a new short. I don't have any way of knowing, but we're bidding. Here's a buyer, 50. If anybody took that trade when I said it, you've got your target one off at 98. 4,000 to 02 is a problem. Small seller here in the offer at 4,000, 142. Anybody long ES or NASDAQ? I gave you both NASDAQ and ES on order flow trades. They're both now trading into resistance. Next 10-minute bar in about 2.5 minutes could do it. Okay, John. Okay, Chuck. I'm giving you guys order flow trades as well, fellas. NASDAQ is trying to turn up. ES, if we get over this 4,000 and hold it. Nice trade, Mike. If we get over 4,000 and hold it, I like ES longs to 20. Crude, we have no bot trade. It's in longs. Gold is still holding. Nice job, Harold. So there's no bot trades, but if you guys want to take them in your funded accounts on order flow trades, I'm giving them to you as well. Next 10-minute bar is going to be crucial. Which is in 55 seconds. All right, we're above 4,000. Come on, close. If we close above 4,000, I'm going to take the ES long, but it's got to close above 4. Bots are turning up ES and NQ. Here we go, fellas. I think this is the move up now. They screwed around for 40 minutes here. All right. Next candle is going to give it in 2 minutes. Will give us the longs on the ES and NQ. NASDAQ's going to have to get through 30,330. We're down to 1,500 sellers. I'm not liking this market at all, guys. There's no. I'll let them take the trades, but I'll kill them quickly if they fade. NASDAQ is going to take the trade. Not for 1 minute and 20. ES is trying. It hasn't turned up yet. It's close. 4,000. Now your support on the ES. I'm going to try an ES long here. With a 19 target 1. As you see fit, though, fellas. Maybe 18. 12. I'll take some off at 11. And then go. 45 seconds. You're going to get both an ES and a NASDAQ trade on the bots. Got 5 handles here. A little bit of resistance here on the NASDAQ. ES should be clear. NASDAQ has resistance, top of the 10-minute cloud. Here comes ES to target 1. 5 seconds. Bot trades. Come on. Let's go, ES. Let's go, NASDAQ. Got target 1 ES. Come on. Pushing value area high. God dang it, NASDAQ. Come on, buddy. ES is, NASDAQ's pushing too. Come on, NASDAQ. We're 1 10-minute candle away from this NASDAQ breaking out up to 56. Come on, ES. Go get those targets. Damn it. Come on, buyers. Buy them up. Small sellers in the NASDAQ, they're getting bought. YM is going to go long too in 57 seconds. Buyers on the ES. Come on, NASDAQ. I'm going to hit my daily draw, fellas. That lost the trade. NASDAQ still sitting on support. I'll be done for the day with this account. Come on, NASDAQ. Push. It's probably 1 candle away from going. The NASDAQ on a 10-minute bar. Come on, you. 1 candle away, guys. It's pushing the top of this damn 10-minute cloud. If the NASDAQ goes, they're going together. Come on. And if it gets out, it's going to go quickly. If we get above this little swing high at 41, it's going to go quickly. Damn it. What time is it? Next candle in 7 seconds. Going to lose it. Fudge. That's it. That's it. I hit my daily draw, guys. Fudger. They're not shorts. They're not shorts. It's the first time I've ever done that, hit daily draw. Here they go. Here they go. Guys, I'm telling you, they're not shorts. They're not shorts. ES just got target. Next 10-minute bar, these things are going crazy. Next 10-minute bar, they're going crazy. They break out. NASDAQ breaks out right here, guys, at 58 to 60. It breaks out. Come on, go get that first target. Be a champ. Son of a bitch. All right, the hell with it. That's a NASDAQ trade on the regular bot. Anybody else hit their daily draw, guys? Okay. Yep. All right, I changed account. Yep. Anybody long ES on order flow? It is garbage today. Yeah, I mean, I said at the onset. Guys, it was a sloppy. I expected a sloppy trade today. I said that at the onset. Yeah, no crying in baseball. That's right. And it's a sloppy trade, just between levels. That's all we're doing. Here's the ES. We're going up. I'm telling you, we're going up. Hit. Yep, me too, Mark. Yep, me as well, fellas. I told you guys, we're not shorts. It's just not a volatile day. We got the move down in the pre-market. We got the reversal that we wanted. All right, Chuck. We're almost flat on the day now. Anybody holding ES on the order flow trade? Anybody holding ES on the order flow trade? We're going to turn up here. We're going to go. We're longs, guys. I'm telling you, we're longs. Yeah, I know. We're longs, fellas. We're longs. We're not shorts. My next target is 19. 23 is where I'll take this runner off. 22. 23. Yeah, I still like the short, though. I still like it short, Deepak. Hey, you know what I don't see on my accounts? I don't think I do. Oh, yeah, I see it. Never mind. Guys, if NASDAQ's going to break out, I'm telling you it's breaking out. So is ES. We're going to break out, guys. It's just a function of time. They're dragging longs and shorts into this mess. Okay, Sapir. NASDAQ above 60, guys. That previous hour is 371, 370. Yesterday's close is 82. We're definitely going to yesterday's close. Yesterday's high is 432. chopping around right near that breakout level on the NASDAQ, guys. Which means, let's see, what did you say, Mark? I have Lulu, which allows a lot more micros than Apex. Yeah. We're not shorts, guys, I'm telling you. I mean, I would say, Victor, at this point, hang on to your money because you're up. It's a very choppy market. I mean, we're just choppy. See you tonight, Larry. It's choppy. And these last two trades all hit targets. Just the drawback. Here we go. We're breaking out now. Nope. Still can't get above 60. Look, they move it. They draw the longs in. Now they kill them. All right, I took that off. $1,300 on order flow, one trade. I'm good with that. We're holding support at 28.29. We could come down to 08 if that breaks. Send me your bot totals. This is where I'm walking out. Up. Just email them to me, guys. Everybody email me your bot totals. I'll put them in the spreadsheet. I manually traded this to 185. As I'm telling you guys what I'm seeing, I'm taking these trades. Does not preclude you from hitting buy or sell, guys, on your bot, you know. You can sell market or buy market. I will see all of you guys tomorrow. Send me your totals. Yeah, me too. I understand, Anthony. First trade shouldn't have happened on the first trade. The first trade was gold. It went to targets. If you held it, I closed mine at $80 or something like that. Guys, it's